अरे नमस्ते कैसे हैं सब लोग 2.5 years I've been gone from YouTube. That's a long time. That's probably the longest break I've taken because I've taken multiple breaks and I'm totally expecting that the algorithm is not gonna give me the old reach that I had. Maybe you should unsubscribe and then subscribe back. Obviously the algorithm definitely considers this as a dead channel, but maybe you shouldn't. And yes, this is a long format video after a long time. Let's not call it a comeback because I tried to do that 2 or 3 times previously and I got busy with life again and I vanished. So let's not jinx it and take life as it goes, as it flows. क्या बैगन का packaging कर रहे हैं मामा? So on my Instagram I asked you guys whether I should buy the new GoPro Hero 13 Black or should I buy the DJI Osmo Action. Most of you guys voted for DJI, but I am so sorry you guys, I'm so sorry.
Come on, you gotta be kidding me.
क्या करें अब? Okay, wait a second. I didn't want to break your heart, so we have got both. Here is the GoPro and I bought, and I'm going to tell you what I bought differently. So I'm just going to put these things aside, free up some space here, trying to hide my address up here. What the I hope I did not get scammed, but this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. How small is that packaging? What the hell is happening? Look at the accessories that I got with GoPro. They're all bigger. This is my new chin mount. Even this box is bigger than this. So yes, I didn't leave your choice out. I got both, which also means we're gonna make videos about both the cameras. So I want you to go ahead and write all the questions and concerns that you may have about Hero 13 Black or Osmo Action 5 Pro. For this video though, let's just open the GoPro. Oh, by the way, I have to say this. I did buy both with personal money. They were not sent to me. They are not sponsored. So they're not also biased in any way. Also, the GoPro I had pre-ordered and it arrived late. This was just launched yesterday and I ordered it almost near midnight and this morning it was at my doorstep. I think GoPro still seems to not understand that their paying customers should be more important than the influencers that they pay to do the reviews or give them trips or give them free cameras. Take care of your paying customers, guys. Too late. It's a different packaging. It feels like responsible packaging or something. Pretty papery. I have never been able to nicely open packages, but here it is. The front, the back. On the sides, it has the specs 5.3K 60 video, 30x slow motion. We will test this all out. I don't want to keep reading specs on the video, but there you go. And it kind of does emphasize on these lenses that you see, the HP lenses. And we actually have one of these lenses here, which will be pretty useful in moto vlogging. Let's dig in. Oh, shit. Oh, look at this. This reminds me of when I go to buy eggs. It's funny because when GoPro wasn't there in India and I was to wear it on my helmet, people used to call it egg. Now they come in containers that look like egg trays. So you get this. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Scan to learn, blah, blah, blah. Quick app, more out of the GoPro subscription, which I already have. Stickers, if anybody meets me, I can give you these stickers. Tips for best performance. I guess that's the manual in different languages, but here we come to the meat. USB-C to USB-C cable, curved adhesive mounts. Takes me back to memories of my first GoPro when I did lose it because I didn't know how to work these mounts. There was no reference, everything was new. Battery, I hope not to drop that. That's the new Enduro battery, I think. Then comes the screw, then comes the clip. This is what you're waiting for. Let me just safely pull it out so that I don't toss it out like that. Since I have not used since GoPro Hero 7, it does feel bigger. Let me come closer so that you can see this. All right, I'm just gonna tear it off. I don't have patience to slide that out. Oh shit. All right, what do you guys want to do? Screen first or lens first? Let's do the screen first. Again, it says update your camera. So I guess that must be pretty important step. And the lens. Here you go, guys. The GoPro Hero 13 Black. Pretty dusty, I would say, from out. Pretty nice big button. I'm hoping the motorcycle gloves would be able to easily access these. And so we have these for mounting and also can take a quick latch down there. familiar sound. Let me do the setup quick. So English and then agree. GPS on, turn on control voice, yep. Control language is English, confirm. Checking SD card, I'm gonna do that later. Can I please do that later? What the fuck? It needs me to have an SD card. This is stupid. That is pretty stupid that I had to go run up and get an SD card. This is not the SD card I'll be using. This is a temporary. You can use it. It is compatible with GoPro, but I'm gonna get an even more faster card. All right, so go ahead, open the side door again, get an SD card, put this in, lock it all up. Scan this. They're saying I will need my phone. So gone are the simple nice days where you could just use the action camera as is. Now you need their bloody apps. So this is GoPro's quick app. Turned on Bluetooth. That's connected. Searching for cameras. So weird that I have to tell this app what this camera is. I expected it to be smarter than this, at least after all this time. So Hero 13 Black, and it says go connect. So connect that. Oh, it says we found your GoPro. We found your GoPro. Wow. No, I found you. It's still taking a while to connect. Somebody decode this name for me. Install your update, it says. So boring stuff. I just wanna, I wanted the camera to turn on, me put it on the helmet and then ride. They want you to use their app and stuff. So anyway, until this is updating, let's actually go and open the other stuff that we had. I told you that this is a kit that I bought. So the other stuff that came with the kit is we've got a quick connect magnetic mount that GoPro has this time. And then there's another box. This is alright. That's how you use it. I'm not gonna read it. I think it should be pretty intuitive. A close lookup at the mount. Just take off the sticker. GoPro branding. That reminds me. You see that grill that you see in the front? It reminds me of my DJI Osmo Action 1. Look at that grill. Similar grill. Heat management grill. Okay, GoPro, you're loud. So out of the box, the battery is at 20%. The camera is on. Phone is still struggling to connect. Has this not been like a GoPro problem forever? Alright, finally my GoPro has connected. Let's actually see how fast it switches between modes, alright? Wow, that's a second of delay. Let's actually take a front standard video. See how the audio is. Hey, what is going on? This is from the GoPro Hero 13 Black. I just finished unboxing it. I still have one extra attachment I have to unbox. And this is its magnetic mount. Slight bit of delay. If I move things around, there's a slight bit of delay. I didn't show you guys the magnetic mount, did I? Here. Any direction that you want, you just press this in. That's actually much better, much easier than the DJI. So they've improved on this, huh? Look at that. That's easy. That's nice. That's one good thing. So bought. This is the ultra wide lens mode, which gives 177 degrees so that your motorcycle vlogs would look cooler. Except GoPro doesn't understand that for motor vlogging, you need audio too. They have fucked up that department, but Oh, I don't know which side the lens is. I don't want to drop it. Comes with a protective cover, I see. Wow, that is thick. That is thick. And it also comes with a cleaning cloth. I'm a little clumsy. I might even end up dropping this lens right now. All right, there you go. Front lens cover, back cover, the lens itself. Let me take a picture in super photo mode. Alright, let's open the lens now. It's gonna be tough the first time. Yeah, there you go. Alright, take this off. Do you see that blue dot out here? So we're gonna align this blue dot. Twist. So this is how the ultra wide lens looks on the GoPro Hero 13. Let's see if I take a picture with the ultra wide versus this and we can compare. So now my first impressions, it's bulky. It should be smaller. Action cameras, I like it smaller. I like it lighter. The extra bulk that just got added because of the ultra wide lens. The surface and stuff feels nice. I definitely love quick mounting. That is really nice. I wish that they could have done a bigger front screen instead of wasting all this space on for the logo. They could have put it here or something. And I think weight wise, this is going to be heavy on a helmet. If you put it in a chin mount, better make sure that your helmet's like really snug, that can take that weight and is not falling down. All right, so there it is with the Hero 13 Black. Next video, we're going to unbox the DJI Osmo Action 5. After that, I'm going to do moto vlogging specific tests with this camera and this camera, and then compare them both obviously with the standard lens first. Then I'll use the ultra wide lens and you can see whether it makes a difference, because the cost associated with this ultra wide lens, it should make sense, right? And finally then we'll do a review about both these cameras, what I like and dislike about them. I don't want to turn this channel into a full-blown tech channel and stuff. This is going to be very specific to moto vlogging. We do love tech. I mean, I love tech and she loves tech. Our tech stuff and gadgets and gaming and laptops and whatnot, we're gonna put it on our live channel. Did you guys know I have a live channel that I started a few years ago? It is still new because I started and then I vanished, took a break from YouTube. So we will put some stuff on there because over this time we bought a lot of gadgets which we love. Unboxing may not make sense, so I'm just gonna delete those videos, but we're gonna talk about it. I'm probably gonna show you some clips, and so if you like, you could go check out that channel too. For now, let me take this out, put it on my helmet and go ride. I'll come back and unbox this. See you guys in the next one. Sayonara.